Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to get stickers on Discord, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to a server. Then when you are on server, then you can find this icon here at the bottom right corner. In this message bar, you can find next to the GIF. Here you can find the stickers icon, or this is actually for emojis. Now you have to simply click on it, and here you can find all the stickers that you can use to get this on the Discord server to send it, like the live stickers. You can find more of them from here. You can find a lot of stickers that you can express your emotions right now. So that's how you can just do it. And also you can find some custom stickers on that server. You can also make this custom sticker. So if you want to know that how to create the custom stickers for your server, then let us know in the comments below. And that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.